Hi there! So here is the Acer Aspire Lite, a budget-friendly laptop that's ideal for students, content creators, basic gamers, and even small business entrepreneurs. The variant we have is powered by the Ryzen 7 5700U chipset, built-in AMD graphic card, 16GB RAM, 1TB SSD, runs Windows 11 out of the box, and is priced at just $39,990. That sounds too good to be true. Fun fact, it also comes with a multicolored backlit keyboard, which I know everyone loves. Let's see how it performs your everyday tasks, the battery life, the overall experience, so you can decide if this Acer Aspire Lite is your next daily driver laptop or not. Let's begin. Let's quickly start with the build and design. So the back and body are made of metal alloy, which truly looks premium. It comes with a matte grey finish, which is super soft to touch. The good thing is, it doesn't attract any fingerprint or smudges. You can spot the Acer branding right in the center. So the laptop weighs at 1.6 kgs, which isn't exactly light, but for a laptop with a 15.6-inch display, it's perfectly fine. Now the lid goes all the way to the back, 180 degrees flat, and you can basically set it as per the angle of your preference. Also, the hinge is pretty sturdy. Talking about the ports, starting from the left, we get the Kingston lock, Ethernet port, two USB-A ports, card slot, SIM slot, and headphone jack. On the right is the power input port, an HDMI 1.4 port, a USB-A port 3.0, and a USB-C port. Well, you literally get everything you could have asked for, including an Ethernet port for fast internet and an HDMI port to connect it to a TV or a secondary display. It's ideal for presentations. So we started with the boot test. And the laptop is ready to use in less than 15 seconds. So you get started with your work almost instantly. Coming to the display. So we get a 15.6-inch Full HD LCD display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. The color reproduction is pretty decent, vibrant and bright. Even the smallest text is clearly visible. Viewing angles aren't the best, but perfect as long as you sit right in the front. The bezels are super slim on all the three sides. The lower chin has the Acer branding, while the top bezel houses the HD camera for video calls. The video quality is decent. It's clear in most scenarios, but yes, it can get a little grainy in low light situation. But trust me, it will do just fine for your online classes and meetings. However, keep in mind, there's no privacy shutter to cover the sensor. But I don't see that as a big deal. Do you know there are many premium laptops that don't have that feature? So I think it should be fine. Watching movies and videos is such a delight on the big screen. Everything is super clear and bright. Here we are streaming from Netflix and it plays perfectly well. YouTube videos will play at 4K 60 FPS without any lag or stutter. I must say, it looks really good. When it comes to the audio, we get two built-in down-firing speakers. Here's a quick demo.
Okay, that's like the least fun game ever.
Well, I'm really sick of your smoking, so I brought something that is going to help you quit.
So the audio sounds pretty decent. Vocals are crisp, audio gets loud enough as long as you place it on a flat surface. It surely can get muffled or almost inaudible if kept on the lap for obvious reasons. Talking about the keyboard. So we get a 104 key, full-size keyboard with even a keypad towards the right. The keys are medium-sized and are very well spread. Also, I must add, excellent travel while typing, providing a very satisfying experience. It's also backlit, which helps in typing in the dark. But more than that, it's multicolored, which is so cool. You can change the colors from the keyboard app. Further, you can adjust the brightness. Plus, you can set the time to auto turn off the backlight, so when not in use, it helps you save battery. Also, it's really nice to see a rupee shortcut. Trust me, for many businesses, it's very handy. Coming to the trackpad. Well, firstly, it's quite huge, very responsive and works perfectly well while scrolling and navigating. All Windows gestures work like a charm. Let's talk about the hardware. So it's powered by the Ryzen 7 5700U chipset, built-in AMD graphics, 16GB DDR4 RAM, which further can be expanded to 32GB. 1 TB PCIe SSD, and is running Windows 11 Home out of the box. I must say, it works really well. The overall interface is really snappy and responsive. Then we also tested Microsoft Office apps like Excel, Word, and even PowerPoint. If you're someone looking for a laptop for office work, the Acer Aspire Lite with the Ryzen 7 will breeze through all these apps. Then we also ran some benchmarks starting with PC Mark 10. Check out the scores. It's really good for a laptop in this price range. Then here's Cinebench R23 and here's Geekbench 6. I know, a lot of you want to know about gaming. So first, we tested Asphalt, which you can download for free from the Windows App Store. It plays like an absolute pro, and all this is with power mode kept to balance, smooth frame rate with no hint of lag. Then we also tested Counter-Strike. Now, even though this ain't exactly a gaming laptop, but I was still able to play without any hiccups. Barely any lag or drop frames. I can easily recommend this laptop to anyone looking for a casual gaming experience. When it comes to productivity, we also tested the Photoshop app. It was such a breeze. We have opened multiple files here with multiple layers, kept working on these for hours without any issue. When it comes to video editing, this ain't exactly a laptop designed for that purpose, but if you want to do some light video editing, the laptop will handle it just fine. Coming to the battery. So Acer provides a 36 watt-hour battery that roughly lasts about 3 to 4 hours with basic workflow. It comes with a proprietary 65 watt charger in the box, which takes about 3 hours to fully charge. Alright, final thoughts. The Acer Aspire Lite with Ryzen 7 variant brings solid performance without burning a hole in your pocket. For $39,990, this laptop is probably the best laptop you can get under $40,000. I'll share the links of this variant below in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.